Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing great. Today we are here with the new exercise. Let's discuss how to perform bench press chest exercise. With the barbell. Hold the barbell with the wide grip and make sure barbell is properly aligned. Take a deep breath and let the weight settle. And make sure your upper back remain tight after lifting the weight. Inhale and allow the bar to descend slowly by unlocking the elbows. Lower the bar in a straight line to the breastbone, almost touching the chest. Push the bar back up in the straight line by pressing yourself into the bench. Repeat the desired number of repetitions. Bench press improves muscle mass and strength. Also makes your bones stronger as resistance training is good for your bone density. Bench press greatly improves upper body strength and gives you good-looking chest. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel in order to watch the more fitness videos.